You and I could talk about franchising all day long.
Oh yeah,
We
I'm
do
sure.
we do have a set amount of time here for folks to keep their attention. So what haven't I asked you that's specific to clients that are just getting into franchising right now? What haven't I asked you that I should, that folks should know?
Huh. Um, well, I would say take your time. I guess I'll just be general. Like the type of advice that I would give clients or prospective clients coming to us who have never done this before, take your time, right? Do your due diligence, understand it, get people involved who can advise you, consultants, attorneys, maybe even accountants or something to understand it. And just, you're going to have a gut feeling, and that's okay. It's good to have gut feelings, but make sure your brain and your gut are aligned, right? Because even though your gut may say, let's do it, but then your brain looks at the numbers and it's like, wait a minute, there's something not right. Just, I would have I don't know how I would put it. I guess a symbiotic approach to it. Just understand all of it. Make sure that your gut and your brain understand it. Make sure they're in agreement, and pursue that. Right. That's what I would say. I guess putting it in very simple terms. Because when I see folks who struggle, or when I see systems that struggle, there's usually some disconnect between what the franchisee either expected or understood. They were miseducated or they had the wrong expectations versus what the franchisor's expectations of franchisees are and what they offer, and what their roles and responsibilities are. So it's really, I guess, as simple as that. Is that's the key, is understanding the roles, the responsibilities, and the expectations of both sides of the transaction, the franchisor and the franchisee. And it just takes time. It takes conversations. Don't be afraid to ask questions of the franchisor, even if we know that it's likely to be rejected, or a request or something. I say, look, ask it, ask a question, and see how they answer. Even if they reject the response, maybe the way they answer is more important than the answer itself, right? If they blow you off and they have, they put you, not put you down, I guess, but if they blow you off and they don't take your concerns seriously, that's much, much more of a red flag than them saying, look, this is why we have it. This is why we can't change it.
Right.
Right? So I don't know. Those are just a few maybe gems there for you. So
No, that's fantastic. Rocky, thank you so much for your time today and educating and I'm looking forward to working with you on down the line. And thank you all for
same,
watching
yes, sir.
this episode of the Successful Franchisee's Beautiful View. Stay safe and win every day.